Last summer season, Andrei Pokorasa saved up sufficient cash to acquire a drone. The 15 years of age practiced flying each day at his home near Kiev. "I'm scared of high places, yet I love flying," he says. "I like taking images from up high."
I'm afraid of heights, but I love flying, he says. "I like taking pictures from up high."
However, in February, Pokorasa's community suddenly found itself on Russia's warpath. Russian containers were spotted heading there. Ukraine's armed force really did not know the exact area, so they started trying to find a drone pilot. Drones have actually been a tool of a battle for several years, yet Ukraine has actually seen a spreading of these consumer-degree drones, which can be owned as well as run by practically any person from almost anywhere.
The drones who can help Ukrainian army, I think Kyiv already could be occupied by Russian forces.
Providing the Ukrainian army possibly thousands of eyes overhead, it resembles a game changer for the world. This drone store proprietor claims when Russia attacked, Ukraine's military didn't have any short-range drones. So he placed out a telephone call on Facebook for civilian drone owners to help find Russian forces. The action was frustrating. "If we didn't have such drivers as well as drones who can aid Ukrainian military, I assume Kyiv already could be occupied by Russia." Pressures greater than 1,000 civilians addressed the telephone call to help to consist of the youngest volunteer, Pokorasa. The Russians were only a number of kilometers away, however the army required their exact coordinates. Pokorasa was the only seasoned drone pilot in community. "I was really terrified, but if I didn't help them, the Russians might be below in a day," he says. The grade 9 pupil chose his dad to a nearby field and put his drone up over the freeway.
"I was very scared, but if I didn't help them, the Russians could be here in a day," he says.
Eventually he found an armored column of Russian cars. His father sent out the photos as well as collaborates to the armed forces, as well as the Russian column was damaged. With Russian pressures now pushed out of this region, the family members returned home last week. The military rewarded Pokorasa with this more innovative drone, and he says proudly he's likewise gotten much more followers on TikTok after publishing some of his video clips. "I was so pleased that I aided," he claims.